House of 10th session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly witnesses intense argument between Chief Minister Nongthom Biren and opposition MLA Kumukchum Joykishan. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur decides to discontinue ongoing Class 11 examination on account of question paper leakage. Government-aided school teachers warned government of suicide protest if measures are not taken by February 25th to ensure them a six-pay scale. All Manipur Students' Union demands a full-fledged implementation of Manipur Private School Registration and Regulation Act 2017 and strict rules for hostels. Market vendors in Moreh decry over deplorable condition of Moreh Community Variety Market, urge government to renovate the market in sync with modern era. Soil and Horticulture Minister Shyam Kumar says government is all set to export organic ginger of Manipur to Dubai this year. And Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah kicked off 10 state-level Sahid Manoranjan Singh Memorial CRPF football tournament at Sai Turf Ground in Takil today. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Wednesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Heated argument ensued between the leader of the House, Chief Minister Nongthom Biren, and opposition MLA Kumukchum Joykishan during the question hour of the 10th session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly on the fourth day today. MLA KH Joykishan raised a star question demanding agreement copy to check whether setting up a labour camp at the ongoing eco-tourism project at Cherau Ching in Thangmaiban under Manipur Police Housing Corporation is against the guidelines of the Ministry of Forest and Environment or not, to which Chief Minister Biren responded that ongoing construction started with the approval of the ministry abiding its guidelines. Biren said agreement copy may be built but through the RTI or at the right forum since it is a confidential matter. MLA Joykishan argued that the assembly session is a right forum to produce the agreement copy and him seeking the agreement copy as an MLA should not be a confidential matter. Speaker of the House finally intervened and ordered to conclude the agreement in his chamber with the production of necessary documents and in the presence of relevant officials. The opposing parties finally gave in to the Speaker's order, though leader of the House was first reluctant and MLA Joykishan even asked if the leader of the House is above the Speaker. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur COSM has decided to discontinue ongoing Class 11th examination which began on February 17 on account of leakage of question papers of the remaining subjects. Speaking to media at COSM office in Babupara today, COSM Chairman Dr. L. Mahendra said COSM Examination Committee in a meeting took the decision to reschedule the examination in April by setting new questions of the remaining subjects. He said questions for Class 11 examinations are placed in the custody of school principals, hence issue of distrust has risen and COSM is considering to conduct the exam. Chairman Mahendra demanded school principals to submit sealed question papers to COSM by February 24th. The COSM chairman reminded that the Education Minister has already announced to dismiss any government teachers involved in the question paper leakage. He added that if the question paper was found to be leaked from a private school, COSM will permanently cut off its affiliation with the school.
Parikasi makata na amuk tawraroi hanagi leiriba question paper sing amama singsi institution gi OC singna institution gi leibiriba OC amadi principal singi custody da leiriba question singsi sigi basis da akoi parikasi mona tawjararoi anauba question ama semjare haraga parikha gi lemuriba parikha gi schedule ama semaga nongno parikha si amu pangthok charagani laibak thibani institution da leibiriba oja singna matau karamna hairiba question singsi viral oiraktana kanagi mobile da amagi lerakki wari wakhong oidana thora ibhaibase masi akoida kanana kanabu thajagadagi haiba question mukaglai and security forces and law enforcing agencies and administrators as well khuding makna kanana masi tawno haiba du thigasariba adugumba khongjang sidesda chobu mateng pangbirakani.
Meanwhile, students' bodies, DSAM and AIMS have demanded befitted punishment against miscreants involved in the question paper leakage of the Class 11th examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur. Speaking to media at Kwakaithel Boys High School today, DSAM Vice President Sheetal Oinam said questions for Manipuri, physics, chemistry, maths and biology subjects were uploaded on social media. Sheetal mentioned that out of the 604 government teachers and 224 private teachers who were formally invited to attend a training on checking of answer scripts, only 357 government teachers attended the training. He urged the authorities concerned to form a committee and to start an inquiry into the case at the earliest.
Numit tara kuni hene waling mamang dagi question sing asi social media da site thoroktuna akhoi examination su phagi taharibasi mase athu matamda authority na the Manipur government na khoi sahi khrasida examination sida hongiba asugumba asoiba ranma mayam asi sumthunu bai damakta awang mathaki adugumba inquiry committee am siamaga krai digi mato kramna question leak waragli haibado mase thidoga miyam khangna serak pigadobani mamang da sunbu sanda lambi na othokena khalakliba asugumba tamthiraba khunai sigi mahiroi singi yengnaba oriba asugumba miyo sing asidagi mahiroi sing asi kannaba amade asugumba mahik sing asi phadokna bai damakta akanba mawongda authority singna masi miyang changbiduna athu matamda masi serak pigadobani.
Government-aided school teachers have warned to carry out suicide protests if government failed to take measures by February 25th to ensure them a sixth pay scale. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, spokesperson of the Joint Administrative Council, All Manipur Government-Aided School Employee Organization, Thokchom Koireng, said present state cabinet approved ROP 2010 on September 26th last year, but no steps are taken to implement the same till date. He said teachers are also deprived of monthly salary since October last year, bringing them immense plights. Thokchom Koireng said the Chief Minister and the Education Minister had assured to address their concerns, but failed to put their assurances into actions till date.
Aduki matik ware idet school gi oja singsi waba haibo hainingai litana ware maramdi akoina phangiba torop si sumadagi lupa lising tara khaktani masina an approve haidana oja kangbu makhalla masu leiri ko makhoi sing duga khoi ge yenaraga chamina baduna akhoi hauji hauji leiriba matam sigadi yam chanadraba haitare adura aduki matik awaba si government ne yengbiraga lagliba tang kunga manga phabugi manungda akhoi gi Haiba ROPG order Topi the Bataragadi, suicide ki Kongham Nomda, Junction Jaragani. Aduga Koi Bun blockade, Tagdana, Nomgizara, Tanjariba, Imai Benching, the Koi Awaba Pijaroi, a Koi Ishai Chana, Namjaba, is a suicide of Kongom the Koi Junction Jarani.
All Manipur students union MSU carried out a protest demonstration today demanding full-fledged implementation of Manipur Private School Registration and Regulation Act 2017. MSU also demanded a strict regulation on hostels and boarding homes in the state. Taking part in the sit-in staged at Keshampad Lemajam Leakage Community Hall, MSU President Peter Lystrom lamented that hostels and boarding homes in the state lack adequate infrastructure and basic facilities, due to which students are vulnerable to psychological, emotional and mental harassments. He urged the state government to take necessary actions at the earliest. Intense scuffles occurred when a team Imphal West police arrived to disperse the students' protesters. Later, police allowed the students to carry out a rally from Kishampat Lemajam Laikai Hall till Kwakaitel to conclude their protest.
Manipur Private School Registration and Regulation Act pass tawgraba adu athuba matamda implement tawraga school mayam singje kumaina niyom chumna salaigani kumaina phana student mayam gidamta welfare gidamta salaigani habgi niyom chumna salai bigadamni loina Manipur Private School Registration and Regulation Act se implement tawgadamni loina boarding amadi hostel gidamta su haibar regulation am semaga implement tawgadamni masina Manipur leiba mahiroi khunai punama gidamta welfare ohangani aduna authority singna athuba matamda si initiative je lokholaga handa winter session ki assembly asida Manipur Private School Registration and Regulation Act siju chananaba khanagadamni loina boarding amadi hostel gi sigi hariba siju regulation siju chananaba moi winter session ki assembly sida puthokpiraga khanabada yawakanda implement tawbiuna appeal tawjari.
Market vendors in More have urged the government to build a new community variety market in More in sync with the modern era. MLA K. Ranjit, who was then a PDA chairman in 2005, inaugurated the market, which is frequented not only by people of Technopole district but even Myanmaris come to sell their products. Vendors appealed to the government to renovate the market, which remains in a pathetic condition, especially during monsoons.
Moregi oina leiba bazar ji yamna matam ga chunadre aduna community khudimang na mai madregi bok yauna phami adubu nongju pandha matam da di yam nungaitre si sarkar na kitang miyeng changbiduna phajaba ama sabiu.
Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister Thangnawcham Shyamkumar said efforts are underway to export organic gingers of Manipur to Dubai this year onwards. He was speaking on the sidelines of flagging of 3.5 meter tons of ginger for export to Delhi by Farzol-based Sunlang Organic Farmer Producer Company under Mission Organic Value Chain Development for North-East region today. The company is registered with Manipur Organic Mission Agency, MOMA, of the State Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department. Minister Shyamkumar said MOMA under Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department has been successfully exporting certified organic products of Manipur to other states since last year, thus helping farmers in marketing their products. Minister Shyamkumar appealed to associate with MOMA to boost the state's economy.
Manipur Sarkar ki Horticulture Department se kanna hona jaba amadi department se directors, project directors, MOMA amadi magi sabune staff, field staff amadi driver mayam yauna thamoi sengna khoi lomi praja se kusam sapadagi du mahina ngasi di malem gi kaithen ke ana Manipur ki product mayam pang pase Manipur ji lai bese werga ju ngasi di semilon da khongi praja lomi mayam ngasi khare makai economic ta koi phagale na haib ha tholoi hari praja mayam da appeal tawai madudi koi no ji thariba chinjak kuding mayam sing ngasi Forestry Department da resa toraga organic weba chemical jaw da haksang da sok da chinjak malem gi kaithen ke ana pam badum lamdam mamu helasi.
Speaking to media, MOMA Project Director K. Devdatta Sharma said the state government has successfully exported around 4,000 metric tons of organic products cultivated by over 1,000 farmers of the state since last year, generating an income of over 12 crore rupees. He said Farzol-based farmer producer company Sinlang's the first consignment of organic gingers for this year will leave for Delhi today to reach various markets. K. Devdatta said an agreement has been signed with Nature and Pure Company for direct shift of powdered organic gingers of Manipur to Dubai.
Pasya certified certification Pangnova, Suma Ginger Si, Mamangi Sahida, Ton Lising Mari Tadokuna, Jarakna, Income Si, Farmer farmerꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯣꯔ 12ꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯀꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯐꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯅꯕ ꯑꯍꯧꯕ ꯀꯟꯁꯥꯏꯟꯃꯦꯟꯅꯤꯡ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣꯔꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯊꯥꯒꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯊꯥꯒꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯅꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯦꯆꯔ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯌꯣꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯁꯨ ꯗꯨꯕꯥꯏꯗ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯊꯥꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯍꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ
Peace and Development Coordinating Committee (PDCC) Kundrakpam Assembly constituency has negated MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan's claims in today's assembly session that PDCC had utilized police personnel during Imphal Cycle Road blockade on February 1st over the infamous Yumnam Patlau Bridge construction. PDCC has demanded clarification from MLA Joy Kishan at the earliest. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club this afternoon, Committee Secretary T.H. Hemjit said construction of the long-pending Yumnam Patlau Bridge started only after PDCC approached the court. However, issues involved due to construction of the bridge beyond the work order. He clarified that police personnel did not aid in blocking the road, but they were dispersing the Ban supporters. It may be mentioned that Leader of the House, Chief Minister N. Biren, in the Assembly session today, is short of awarding befitted punishment to any police personnel who are found to be involved in the road blockade.
Michael Shongi, Miangi Persai, Kalakan, I couldn't tell you about Banasida, I go security Nanga, I could Bantoki late, security Quick Munagi delay. Subum Laba Miangi Kalaga, I couldn't Michael Shongi Persing, Kalagi Bansida, Gi Matunda, I could PIL Power Hadana, I could quote a chasser of Matunda, Nangasi Rai Tavire, PWD Natori, Tabakudi Mak, Wap, order schedule, Yoruba, Dabani, Hiving order power tar. Singum Lotari, Masida, Hosi Power, government carry action local Lavage, Lonana, Mara Leraba, Cheneri missing the Matata, carry action taken. Hojbau the local have wapam say Hangidana, a hoinana, a quay PDC will have me on the land, Uhana, Honor, Emila Joykana, Razniti Lotuna Bamaga Loinana, Tabakasi Tatarpani, Hainaku PDC, Loje have wapams Tomser.
District Agriculture Officer Imphal West observed Soil Health Cart Day at Langthabal Kunja Wang Leakage Community Hall today. One-day awareness on Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana was also held on the occasion. Speaking at the event, CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham urged people to be responsible citizens to bring development in the state. Speaking on the Soil Health Cart Day, he said soil health testing under RKVY scheme will help in identifying suitable crops for cultivation for the particular area. He called upon experts to test paddy fields and aware farmers on the soil health. He also urged farmers to approach the relevant department and to consult with experts to obtain benefits of various government schemes.
Sarkar buran tauriba official sing praja amaga dom daita si launa daba ngasi agriculture department na di lomi singi mafam da club ka khusam narga satliba thabak sigi madugi importance tu khangagadi madugi kana badu laigadoi ne uji ai ngaki mamang da deputy director da hangne noina mafam da salaga ti se tauraga di am kana ba phangane na ada uji mobile lab salam badu adi karom dona fan adu ada tawbana hole people's the direct pc hai targa de awareness program ngasi sumaina sathari je sumaina Aksana Praja Singsi Kangan Bama Darkar Lay, Masi Akoi Sarkar Gi Tony. Praja ga Sarkar ga Anigi Marakta understanding Pazana Layraga. Akoi government local liba any program Singsi implement Pazana Tauragadi, Madugi benefit to states in a Pangaduine.
JC formed against the suspicious death of Ayekpa Merina staged a protest meet at Sagolban Tera Lokrakpam Lerak Community Hall today. Leaders of various civil society organizations and members of Manipur Human Rights Commission took part in the protest meet. The protesters resolved to submit a memorandum to Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren to solve the case. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the plights facing street vendors in Greater Imphal. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Wednesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Now we bring you a special report from Impact News reporter Geet Meitei and video journalist Namai Rakpam Bisorjit on the plight facing daily wage earning street vendors due to lack of proper vending space.
Street vendors at Pona and Thangal Market in Greater Imphal are facing various immense plights for the lack of a proper place to sell their goods despite the state government's assurances to allot them a space. Though the government has given specific time slots in the morning and in the evening to the street vendors to sell their commodities, they are unable to carry out their business in a profitable manner due to the lack of a proper place to sell their goods. Street vendors urge the authorities concerned to allocate them a befitting place at the earliest.
सरकार हाबी बबो कोई खर मयाम ताले जदगी खर जु सनदा तौबियु कोई दुखमल डायरेक्ट पियु हाय जगा जु कोई दिखनबनी सरकार जिना सिकुम बंता जु बिरक्ते कैथे तालो ने तो पतान सली रोई ताम माय कोई नु ता कामनीना योली जिनी नै बुङो अमन जने मा होदि याम वाय हायबा अखोय अयुक्तने वाना nga phaba salure hale nungdin gi pung ahum dai ahum makhai sai da bazar da yore bazar je het yorok matam dagi akhoi na mafam ja porfam thabam bau laite street vendor gi awaba je yengu akhoi na pose thambaga tarami ba policing na salo tan bada akhoi lungra ba pose liksho da hapaga liksho da porai ba pose pok ta thongkala ga sien baza akhoi awaba ma oire adagi di Famandabaduna Punkai Mukai Mukamaga Nundangi Pung Nipan, Head Yorapadagi, Salo na Koya Muktale, Akoi Pamam Sung Laitre, Akoyam Naware, Dunakoi Pamam Pam Sabam Tangshin Bio, I do Ibasa Kariban Nekariba Mayamze, Akoina Mang Mayamze, No Magi, Akoina La Ibaze, Akoina Yoli, Bakarazi Yola Kanda, Isai Shuta Ibani, Isai Shulek Malibani, Siguma Mayamze, Moina Sakaiba, Kokaiba Tobam, Karibum Tangamdre, other than Sakarnam, Angi.
Issues facing the street vendors is not a new one. Former Cabinet Minister of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Moirangthem Nara, opined that the state government and the authorities concerned could have solved the issues facing the street vendors if they were considerate and willing to do so. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, M. Nara said government needs to address the plights facing the street vendors and make necessary arrangements. He said threats will not solve such issues.
Koigi lady street vendor gi wafam sidi ngasi ngarang dagi natri kaithena sidi ma kaithe leidana lady sigi itihas ka mari lenar pot amane kharman bazar gi ma kaithe hai ba kaithel ahum asina manipur praja si thai bane ima even punamaksi imunga ma natraga ma yengu kanda loina massive oina represent tawe adu matak laiba mi singsi hingbagi lanphamda thawai kubak da haptana macha masu thak pangamna ba araiba magi ngolda hoba natraga moina lamba phangba pot kaya collector ga bazar sida puragi yonjeri bane street vendor singna puraiba pot asine ba koina consumer ori se koino hoine street vendor singi masing hengalakpa masung moi hingan bi lambi piwada market sikada ido igedage anoba semga kada sina karamba jaga da hain identify tawraga tapna darkar gi matung in semgot piba matam du oire haijabani da solve ton lambi di government khan biu hojik immediate solution di kaithen ohum sigi mathakta hangi be space song to pibiu solve to dobre yengse. This is my proposal and I appeal to the government to get it implemented.
It is high time for the government to bring a solution to the street vendors issue. Let us wait and watch what the government will do to solve the plights. Until then, this is Ibeto Tokchong with reporter Geet Meitei and video journalist Namai Rakpam Bisojit, Impact News, Imphal.
Chief Minister Nongthom Amiren visited President of All Manipur Working Journalists Union, AMJU, Bijoy Kakching Tabam, who is currently undergoing treatment at RIMS. The Chief Minister interacted with RIMS Director, Professor A. Santa, Medical Superintendent, Professor C.H. Arun Kumar, and with Bijoy's doctor. Speaking to media, Chief Minister Biren said, Bijoy is out of danger as confirmed by the doctors. Chief Minister's media advisor Irengbam Arun accompanied the Chief Minister.
recovery weight pressure
A team of RPI Athwale Manipur State Committee, led by Committee President Maheshwar Thaungaujam, has facilitated new electricity connection for destitute mother-daughter duo Asem Bilashani and Asem Katuki today. Maheshwar appealed to extend possible help to 60-year-old Asem Bilashani and bedridden 87-year-old Asem Katuki from Kashamthong Maning Longjam Laikai in Kashamthong constituency, who have been deprived of electricity for many years. He claimed that the two regular voters are even deprived of benefits provided by the state government. Maheshwar said he came across the mother-daughter duo while distributing winter gifts to senior citizens in the constituency. Following a request to the power department, they finally got electricity connection today.
May mamaga leirambasida area dusu yam hygienic oidre haksang solakpagi area su loire plus may mambanina yam nungaitaba adu aina khale aina ngatang lakpasida minute amani changakpasida min manga changakpasida yam nungaitradi kuina mamangdagi may mamaga leire haise moi kyam kana khangamgadoino haibagi boboga mamaga nungaijadana aina ngamjaba khara haitare yam ngamjaba nachadi aduga boboi mamawai tasen nungai igi family emu oina imung anoina ngasidagi khanjare nahan he unabani mite su khanjaraga he mai gi process sathajabane adu ngasidi yam nungaibo oina ngasidagi mai ngalani haibe pause taba family member count bill
Asem Bilashani expressed gratitude to Maheshwar Thaungaujam, stating that she no longer gets benefit under old age pension scheme. Bilashani said her mother is also deprived of any government schemes due to lack of Aadhaar card. She said they are leading a miserable life, doing odd jobs to earn a livelihood.
Ole pension do khara phangami adhaka yaudi na pibi dare imana sura no mo jai o hanabi ga adhaka ti leiti ima gidi ai gidi lei chahi humpu surubo hibo pibi di kano se ole pension pibado hotel phamba khara yaw migi khara thaba khara hona tawraga ima chai ya mayes na thambi dana ne yam nungaire ma mango loibo janu koi ka samdong ken da dagi ma gum pukchen jawbudi yaudi.
District Health Society Churachandpur has organized a two-day public awareness program under State Health Society on Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matriva Abhiyan, that is PMSMA, a maternal health benefit scheme at Thanlong Primary Health Center in Farzol District. State Health Society Manipur State Nodal Officer Maternal Health Dr. Meena Seram enlightened pregnant women in the area on the benefits of PMSMA scheme at the program. Doctors checked up pregnant women and provided them medicines for free on the occasion.
We are doing a special PMSMA program which we named as Miron B. Singhi Khudol, that is the gift for the pregnant woman, with the idea that in many of the remote areas we do not have for the pregnant woman, and most of the volunteers we have in the state is in the valley area, Imphal East and West. So we are taking this specialists from the valley area to the far-flung remote hill districts, or where there is minority people are frequented valley districts also we are covering. So this is the 14th special initiative we are conducting today at Thanon PAC, which is around 205 kilometers from Imphal. We have around here 80 pregnant women are here, and so far we have examined I think around 11 pregnant women. We have not detected so far any high risk.
Proscribed KCP People's War Group has claimed responsibility for planting the bomb at MPP President Oinam Jugindro's house. Central Media Coordinator of the group, Lenin Mitei, in a press release said the bomb threat was carried out against Jugindro and his workers for letting down the party by misusing the party funds and for criticizing the group. He urged local clubs and women folks to carry out protest demonstration only after knowing the truth behind the incident. Lenin Mitei demanded public disclosure of audit report for funds used by O. Jugindro and his workers. Manipur's famed folk rock band Imphal Talkies has performed 3 consecutive shows in Bangladesh for Manipuri diasporas living in the country. The band held the tour as a follow-up of its Reimagining Manipur tour, which started in Assam in June last year. The band performed the 3 consecutive shows from February 13 to 15 in Lama Bazar, Silhet, Bisgaon, Habiganj, and Bhongaj, Molbi Bazar. They played their new album, Imagi Wari, a concept album which tells the stories of Manipuris in Assam and Bangladesh. Many Manipuri diasporas came to witness the shows. (182) Battalion Border Security Force BSF Koirengai organized an awareness program today on recruitment to Central Armed Police Force at Tumukhong village and nearby areas under area of responsibility of CI Post Mapo, Imphal East. The program was carried out under the supervision of Commandant of the battalion, Nitin Gupta, to raise awareness among youths on the procedure for applying to various posts in Central Armed Police Forces and on the benefits of joining the forces. Alliance Air, a wholly owned subsidiary of Air India, has announced daily direct flight operations between Guwahati, Dimapur and Imphal from February 20th. Alliance Air added Imphal and Dimapur to its list of destinations on the 7th December last year with direct flight operation 4 days a week. Guwahati, Dimapur and Dimapur-Imphal are RCS routes under government's Uran scheme. The airline has deployed its 70-seater aircraft on these sectors. Daily flight operations provide the option of swift connectivity between these destinations all 7 days of the week. With this flight onward, connectivity from Dimapur to Guwahati and from Guwahati to Bangalore, Delhi, Kolkata is feasible. Union Minister Narendra Singh Tomar has flagged off the second phase of Jai Jagat 2020 campaign from Delhi. The campaign is held on the theme, "The World is One Family," under the leadership of eminent Gandhian P.V. Rajagopal. The year-long campaign kicked off from February 11th and will conclude at Geneva in Switzerland. The 50-membered team, including 35 individuals from 19 states of the country and 1 Manipuri, Hobijam Surjit, along with delegates from Australia, Argentina, Switzerland, Kenya and France, will reach Switzerland on September 25th. The campaign focuses on issues such as eradication of poverty, inequality, climate justice and peace and non-violence. Now the sports news. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla kicked off the 10th state-level Sahit Manoranjan Singh Memorial CRPF football tournament at Sports Authority of India Sai Turf Ground in Takil today. All ranks of Manipur and Nagaland sector CRPF organized the tournament, participated by 25 teams. Classic Football Academy and AFC Thobal played the first match of the tournament. Speaking on the occasion, Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla said, "It is right to hold the tournament in the memory of late CRPF Assistant Commandant Sahit N.G. Manoranjan, who sacrificed his life for the country." He lauded CRPF as one of the largest paramilitary forces in the world and wished CRPF all the best in all its initiatives to bring peace in the state. CRPF Manipur and Nagaland Sector Inspector General of Police Ansuman Yadav, top officials, family members of late Sahit Manoranjan and others attended the event. It may be recalled that late CRPF Assistant Commandant Sahit N.G. Manoranjan was killed along with other personnel during a Maoist attack in Chhattisgarh on September 17, 2009.
For the last 10 years, in the memory of the son of the Manipur Shahid Manoranjan Singh, who sacrificed his life for the nation. The officer was awarded Police Medal for gallantry was Thomas Lee. It is really a proud moment for me to be a part of this tournament, which is named and played in memory of the Manoranjan Singh, Assistant Commander CRPF. I salute the brave officer for his supreme sacrifice, and I also pay my respect to his mother, Mrs. Neg Mamta Devi, who is present on the dais here today with us.
Kanglei Park Students Association KSA will kick off 9th Kanglei Mega Sports Festival from March 8 till 13th. KSA has been organizing the sports festival by joining hands with various sports associations with an aim to steer youths away from bad behavior towards sports activities during Yaoxing celebrations to build a healthy society. A mass cycle rally will be flagged off from the Kangla Fort on March 1st at 8 a.m. to begin various sports events like Under-17 Boys Kanglei Park Football Trophy, Kanglei Park Kang Trophy, Kanglei Park Marathon Race, Kanglei Park Chaibi Yendam Naba, Kanglei Park Thangta Championship and Inter-Students Organization Invitational Football Tournament from March 8 onwards. Speaking to media at KSA office in Kuyathong today, convener of the festival, Sanjoy Kulakpam, appealed to extend support for the upcoming festival.
Saya guding ilip tu na patutun lakpa Kanglei Mega Sports Festival. Handak sahi guna su lak liba March tarik nipan dagi tarong do fawa Manipur gi tonga tonga fam sing da pantolagan Sports Festival asina pining liba paujil sing miam da yohan balu na Sports Festival asigi mari le na bathok thorom sing pantol ko matam da inam dam somda le haidi koi gi Kanglei kunai se le bi ba Kanglei chakhodi mangna bungphan na mating tobiduna haidi Sports Festival asina pining liba message sing miam di homda sobat tadang lobi yu haina boluse cycle rally amasu Manipur gi tonga fam sing da pantu sakani haidi cycle rally asida su Kanglei chakhodi mangna saru yabi yomadi mapung phan bi yu haina KSA me gading nolokse.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. House of 10 Session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly witnesses intense argument between Chief Minister Nongthoma Miren and opposition MLA Komukcham Joykishan. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur decides to discontinue ongoing Class 11 examination on account of question paper leakage. Government-aided school teachers warned the government of suicide protests if measures are not taken by February 25th to ensure them 6th pay scale. All Manipur Students' Union demands full-fledged implementation of Manipur Private School Registration and Regulation Act 2017 and strict rules for hostels. Market vendors in Moreh decried deplorable condition of Moreh Community Variety Market, urged government to renovate the market in sync with modern era. Soil and Horticulture Minister Shyam Kumar says government is all set to export organic ginger of Manipur to Dubai this year. And Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah kicked off 10 state-level Sahit Manoranjan Singh Memorial CRPF football tournament at Sai Turf Ground in Takil today.